What equipment is needed for a complete sand and gravel production line? This video will provide a detailed introduction to the entire process and key equipment configuration. With 40 years of experience in the mining machinery industry, our brand specializes in integrated sand and gravel production solutions. A standard production line typically begins with a jaw crusher for primary crushing of raw ore, followed by a cone crusher or impact crusher for secondary and tertiary crushing to refine particle size. The crushed material is then sent to a vibrating screen for grading. Qualified particles are conveyed to a sand-making machine for shaping. Afterwards, the sand washer cleans the finished sand to remove impurities, while a conveying system connects all equipment to ensure smooth material flow. Our integrated design optimizes solutions for all equipment, creating a streamlined production process tailored to your specific needs. As the manufacturer, we provide comprehensive service support, from equipment selection to operational guidance, ensuring your project's success throughout the journey. Watch the video to understand the complete operation of a sand and gravel production line, and visit our official website to explore our customized solutions.